Frustrated with the Bdb library DLL pop-up blocking your software? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. This DLL file is a library associated with the Berkeley DB Database Engine. It provides high-performance, embedded database services for applications that need to store and manage structured data locally without a dedicated server process. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. The Bdb library DLL is installed as part of Parent Software Suite, the software where you encountered your error, and is not a Windows system file. Reinstalling the latest official version of the application from the official source will restore the correct version of the Bdb library. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Bdb library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for the Bdb library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If registry clutter or the Bdb library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Parent Software Suite error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.